Aloha! My name is Jennifer Young and I'm excited to do a career presentation for the second time. The position I chose was a mental health counselor, and all you need is a bachelor's degree. This position is located at a company called Columbia Wellness, where your wellness is our passion. This company is located in Longview, Washington. I don't really have any drive to go to Washington. I will actually be moving to Texas within the next couple months, but I was really excited to find out about this type of work. Working in this environment, this position provides services to all clients at Columbia Wellness, but also those clients who are no longer with Columbia Wellness, so they're kind of more outpatient. You give them support as an outpatient versus those who are staying at the wellness center. This involves a lot of the stressors, so you need to have good communication for those within and those without. So you need to be organized, you need to use your time wisely, you need to be able to communicate effectively, or you're going to have a lot of stress. Some of the stress is dealing with the patients, but also dealing with your coworkers. You're dealing with one-on-one in group settings, you're finding additional assistance for patients that Columbia Wellness may not provide. You also have ongoing training. They want you to stay informed and have enhanced relevant knowledge and skills to be able to help the patients. So that's part of your common job task. You also need to complete a lot of clinical paperwork. There's administrative paperwork that needs to be done on time. The assistance in assessments of the client's clinical needs. Is it available at the wellness center or is it available somewhere else? They want you to be able to help the person and not just worry about the company. So within the company, though, you facilitate and assist in groups. There is one-on-one work. Most of the time you will be supervised with the one-on-one work with your boss, who you are actually reporting to. Let me see if I remember. The community support manager. That's who you actually report to, even although you do apply for this job at Human Resources. One of the other job tasks is to identify various needs that aren't provided, as I said, with Columbia Wellness. They want you to be able to help the person and not worry about whether or not it's provided at the wellness center. So I didn't make a slide, but some of the benefits for working with this center, it's a full-time position. So you get the usual benefits, but they're not limited to medical, dental, vacation, and 401k. They do have others. However, they wanted to have an interview in order to give me more of that information, and I didn't really actually want to interview because I'm not ready to have this type of job. The salary. Okay, we talked about salary being kind of low when we're starting. It is low if you do not have any experience because they are going to train you. So they're going to invest in you, and obviously they don't want you to leave, but it does take money to have training. So the starting salary is low at $26,000 a year. However, once you have experience, and they're actually looking for about 2 years mental health experience if you don't have a bachelor's degree, but they prefer the bachelor's degree. So the experience, you can get $66,000 or $67,000 a year. So the median, if you come in with a little bit and you do still need some extra training, is about $40,000 a year. So it does start low, but I think we've kind of all figured out that that's kind of how it's going to be with this. But experience is great. So once we get it, we all are going to earn a lot of money. Here's my reference page. And I hope that you were able to find out more information about a mental health counselor and if this is the job for you. Thanks so much. I hope you guys all have a great day.